Deltona has expanded its healthcare offerings over the years to make quality care convenient and accessible to local residents. Regional health systems Florida Hospital and Halifax Health have opened a number of facilities, with physicians following their lead and choosing to locate offices here as well. Halifax Health recently opened a new freestanding emergency room and is currently building a new hospital in the city. Florida Hospital's Fish Memorial Deltona Health Park Outpatient Health Center includes an urgent care center, laboratory, imaging facilities, and physician offices. Its Deltona Health Park offers outpatient care with special emphasis on the needs of women and children. Deltona's VA Medical Clinic offers care and treatment to veterans in the community. Gold Choice Deltona serves local seniors with assisted living and memory care services. Deltona is fast becoming a center for healthcare in Volusia County.